You know, it's always fun when I open up an Urban Samurai box. Not only do I get some free swag, but I also get some glasses to boot, and that's what we've got in here. I believe what we've got is, well, I'll tell you what we got for glasses from Urban Samurai next on Geekazine. What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine. Think Magazine put in a geek. Urban Samurai did send me product to review, but all opinions are my own. You can find out everything over at geekazine.com/review. I'd like to thank those Patreons. You can be a part of Patreon if you go over to patreon.com/geekazine. And if you got a product that you want me to review, all you have to do is get to the contact page and send me a message. All right, what do we got here today? Today we are looking at the Urban Samurai. This is a box that they sent me. A pair of glasses that they sent me. Yes, glasses so I can see. And so this is what Urban Samurai is. If you remember back a couple years ago, we did unbox the Ronin series, which is a very interesting set of glasses that the bows did not sit on the ear. They sit above the ear. That way you could wear your headphones and not have those bows crush into your temples. I use them every now and then for when I am sitting in front of a screen for long periods of time. We have the video and I'll link that in the notes. But this is what Urban Samurai is. It is a gaming glasses company that comes out with some very innovative glasses. Like for instance, the Katana gaming glasses, the Urban Samurai Dojo. They've got the Koi, the Ronin, the Sensai, the Urban Samurai Wasabi gaming glasses. These are everything for your gaming needs, whether you are gaming for yourself or you're gaming for your Twitch channel or you're gaming for whatever you're gaming for, or you're just wearing glasses because you need to wear glasses like myself. So they've got a lot of cool stuff. They've also got some other things like the gauntlets, the stress ball, the hats, and everything like that, stickers and all that. What we're going to be unboxing as well, I'll show you in a second, because right here, this is the Urban Samurai box. So without any further ado, let's get to opening this Urban Samurai box. There we go. All right, fairly straightforward. Let's see what we got inside. First of all, we've got the Urban Samurai card. Really cool card right there. I could probably put it on the back wall. What do you think? I don't know. Pretty cool. We got a document that basically says, hope you enjoy the gaming glasses, and a few other goodies from Derek and the Urban Samurai team. So thank you guys very much for sending this right along. I really appreciate that. Inside, of course, like I said before, they have stickers. So we get some stickers right there. We've got looks like a cleaning cloth for Urban Samurai. We've got their hat. We might have more than one hat. Oh yeah, we do have two hats. So this is the trucker hat. Let's see how that looks. What do you think? Do I look like a trucker? I don't know. And then we've also got these are the hats. Oh, there goes a sticker. There's another sticker right there for Urban Samurai. And we got another one of these hats. These are great hats. When I'm out and doing things, of course, I need to adjust the back on the hat, and I will do that later. Next up we've got one of the stress balls, the Urban Samurai stress ball right there. And I see a couple other stickers on the bottom, and we'll get those later. But this is what I'm looking for, and that is the glasses themselves. Let's go ahead and get the box out of wood. Really nice box, by the way. Be using that for other things. Pretty cool. And by the way, we do have an affiliate code for Urban Samurai, Geekazine 15, if you want to use that at checkout. I appreciate it very much. These are the Urban Samurai glasses. Open that up. Nice and easy. There it is, and inside is the box is another box, and inside that box, glasses case, basically. Really nice glasses case, by the way. Inside here, we have what would be the glasses. So here they are. And that's it right there. We've got, probably have two parts. There's the glasses, and these are the clip-on shades for the glasses. These are the Sensai glasses. And of course, the standard clip-on sunglass model. Those are always nice. I love clip-ons like this. The one thing that they couldn't do transitions or bifocals. So I will have to lift up the glasses to read anything. But they are in my prescription, which I thank Urban Samurai for doing that. And I think there is a bit of a tint from there, from what I'm seeing. But let's go ahead and try them on and see what they look like. Well, I can see, that's the important thing. They are plastic frames, and so I put them on. They feel just like plastic frames usually do. I love that clear look to it, so they don't look as much like I'm wearing glasses, but they definitely have my prescription. And of course, if I go to read, I can't see anything up close. If I need to read something, I'll definitely be doing this. Not too bad. The pads, let's take a look at this. I got to put on my other glasses to take a look at this. As you can see, like I said, they're clear glasses with a clear frame look to them, so they don't look like you are wearing glasses. The frames themselves, they do have the spring-loaded corners there, and then of course a little bit of rubberiness, so these won't feel really tight on your temples, and that's always a good thing. I don't know if I can make any adjustments like tightening them up. I don't think I can. Maybe with a heat gun I'll be able to bend them a little bit if I need to, bring them in like so, but we'll see what happens. I am more of a pads guy, so with these pads being on the glasses themselves, they'll be a little bit hard for me to really get. But you know, I just have to put in some grip pads from here, something you can get from any pharmacy or anything like that, and they'll feel a little bit comfortable. Pads up to the nose, so they don't fall down when I'm working or anything like that. But other than that, that's the glasses right there. Let's go ahead and put them on again. In this, I don't know if these have anti-glare or not, but I am definitely seeing some of the backlighting, and this is where the pads would come in. So I would want them a little bit off of my face, so going to get those extra pads will definitely work from there. But these are pretty comfortable. They're pretty cool. We zoomed in a little bit, and this is what they look like from here. Let's go ahead and put the sunglasses on, the shades part. There we go. And I'm looking cool, aren't I? Yeah. So anyway, I really enjoy that. Let's go ahead and take those off again. Let's see these from the side here. These are the glasses from the side. As you can see, they fit around the ear fairly easy, and they do slip down a little bit. So if I was working, I would probably look like this. But once again, if I get pads for this, that'll keep them up towards the nose, which is something that I really like to have. So, but anyway, it looks good and they feel good and I can see, and that's the important thing. But the question is, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below over at Geekazine.com or YouTube.com/Geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when the next video comes out. There we go, Urban Samurai. These are the Sensai. So these are all the glasses, and of course we did the Ronins for the previous video. You can check that out over at YouTube.com/Geekazine or Geekazine.com, and you can check out some of the other ones. I liked these, and I like the wasabi ones. So we'll check out some more glasses, and of course, once again, we have the code Geekazine15 if you want to check that out. Until next time, you guys geek out and be cool with some cool glasses from Urban Samurai.